Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your FAB My Credit Card online, right? So you have to just go to Google, you have to come to this website which is basically FAB Bank here. If you're not able to find it, no way, just type here FAB My Credit Card and you will get this first link. Now once you're here, click on it. Now after that you have to log in into your accounts. On the top right corner you can see there's a login info. Now just go and select one of the option which you want to go. So for example, for me it's a personal online banking here. I will click on it. If it's business, then you can choose a business option. Then here you have to enter your username and password. Now after that, once you're here, you have to choose a specific FAB My Credit Card that you want to cancel from the list of the cards. So once you log in into this, you will get also, you have to go to the account section which will be available on the top right. Go to your payment section, then you will find a card section, right? Look for option that's a cancel cards or something similar, and then automatically you will able to cancel it. Now again on the screen it will ask you to confirm it to cancel, so you have to just click on yes, and after that your card will get canceled. So after that, once your card is cancelled within few weeks, it will be no use, so your card will be frozen and you won't be able to use it once you cancel it, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.